Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I have a massive Bath & Body Works candle haul for you. I am not 100% sure how I'm gonna do this because this is balancing like halfway on my desk, halfway on my leg right now, and then we gotta like pull all the candles out. So this is gonna be interesting. But I got these are all single wick candles. A week or two, maybe 3 ago, Bath & Body Works had like a massive single wick candle sale where they were like $3.50 or something like that. It was crazy. Each, actually I have a sheet here, it'll tell me how much they were. $5.95, so not that crazy, but definitely crazy. My hair, like my hair. But I got a bunch of candles, so I thought we would show them to you. I have already like peeked a little bit, not gonna lie, but they're still in here, still resealed, and we're gonna smell them and talk about them. There is glass in here, so one of these is definitely broken, and I've definitely probably waited too long to return it, so that's fun. I tried to, but like their online customer service sucks. Like their website gives you a chat option. The chat option said it was gonna take 2.5 hours for me to talk to somebody, and then their email says, no one is at this email, please call us. And I was like, I don't have time to call you. So I didn't do that, but Bath & Body Works, fix your online options because people don't like to call people. But anyway, let's go ahead and dive in. This is the first candle here. I believe we got 10. I'm pretty sure Dylan picked 5 and I picked 5. So this is a Dylan pick. This is black tie. Okay, we're just gonna kind of close this a little bit. This is what it looks like. Very simple, very classic. If the scents are on here, I'll read them to you. Green sage, sandalwood, tonka bean, and essential oils. Smells like a man. Smells really good though. It kind of reminds me of their ocean cologne. I think it smells good. It smells very manly. This would be like a great man cave candle. Stay. I have so many candles from when they had their last sale. Okay. Next, we have Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is also a Dylan pick. This one is still very simple. It's got the red writing on it though. This one smells like Japanese Cherry Blossom, mimosa, petals, and cedarwood. Ooh, smells like baby powder. Yeah, very much smells like baby powder. This would be like a laundry room candle. That's what I would do this for. Which my laundry room and my kitchen are the same room, so I guess the kitchen one as well. Okay, terrified I'm gonna like find the broken one and not realize that I found the broken one. Okay, numero 3. This was a me pick. This is turquoise water. I mainly just liked the packaging. It is like different shades of blue and it's got stripes on it. Super, super cute. This one smells like Coastal Waves Sparkling Bergamot, Sun Drenched Musk. Also smells like laundry. That one smells like baby powder. This one smells like laundry, like straight up laundry detergent. Smells good. I expected it to be a lot more beachy, but I like it. This would also be a laundry room candle. Okay, what's next? Just like carefully looking at them to make sure I'm not about to pick up glass. I'm gonna be so sad when I find out which candle's broken too. Midnight Blue Citrus. I think this was a me pick. I don't remember. This one's just plain with blue writing. This one smells like juicy citrus, fresh spring water, sweet mango, and essential oils. This might have been a Dylan pick. He's very into like the fruity scents. Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Like I just want to sit here and smell it. What does that smell like? This is something in my childhood. It smells like candy. Oh my god, if any of you have smelled this, what is it? Because it's something. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's easily my favorite Bath & Body Works candle that I own. Well, we'll see by the end of this, but out of all of the ones I own, that's my favorite. That's so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. This one's not broken either. This is definitely a Dylan. This is Limoncello, which I think we already own in like a big candle, but he loves it so much he got it in this. Yeah, smells like pine sol. This is a kitchen one for sure. That turquoise water, I would bring that in any room. Probably this room for sure, but that one smells so good. It's very fruity, but like also not overwhelmingly fruity. I love the way this one smells. This one smells like Sorrento, lemons, cane sugar, and lemon zest. Yeah, and it smells like pine sol, but like better. Stay. Okay. We're getting there. We've got 5 left, so we're halfway there. What's this one? This is mine. This is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. I am not like the biggest pumpkin person ever, but I wanted like one at least. So this is luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. There's not even pumpkin. What? Pumpkin's not even on the scents, but okay. Ooh. Definitely smells like pumpkin though. That's intense. That smells exactly like caramel pumpkin. Whew. That's a lot. I don't know that I love that one. I like it. I don't love it. But it's very fall. I'm not like the biggest fall person. I know. Shoot me, whatever. But I love Halloween. Halloween's my favorite holiday. But my allergies get like so bad in the fall. And I hate it. So I'm not like the biggest fall fan. I also do not like being cold. So there's that. And I live in Iowa, so fall is basically winter. Let's see what this one is. This one doesn't want to come out. Orange zest and sea spray. This is another Dylan. Cute packaging. This one smells like freshly squeezed orange or aromatic herbs and sea spray. Oh, that smells like Starburst, 100%, like an orange Starburst. That one's bomb. I think this one would also be a kitchen or a bathroom candle, in my opinion, but that one's good. That's probably my second favorite so far. That turquoise water one still doesn't hold a candle to it. I'm dumb. Okay, I still haven't found the broken one. I'm gonna find it when I get a handful of glass though. Okay, oh, this is mine for sure. Cactus Blossom. I love Cactus Blossom, like I literally have just right here. I fell in love with this. I smelled it, like the candle or the perfume, and I was like, I need this in everything possible. This is Cactus Flower, Sun-Kissed Coconut. Makes sense. Fresh sparkling lemon and essential oils. I love coconut so much. So good. I don't even know how to describe this. It smells like floral, but like good floral, because I don't like floral scents. Like, I'm not into roses. I hate rose actually. I don't like lavender. I like sweet pea, that's about it. But this one smells divine. I love this one. Still think I like the turquoise water one better though, believe it or not. Okay. Literally the last one I pick up is gonna be the broken one, because this one's not it either. This was for sure a me pick. This is Vanilla Bean. This smells like vanilla bean, fluffy marshmallow, and fresh steamed milk with essential oils. So good. This smells like vanilla, but for some reason it like makes me think of cereal. Yeah, it smells like you're burning a vanilla candle while eating milk. Eating cereal and milk. Yeah, that's like exactly the vibes I get. Oh, it's so good though. I love vanilla. Like Tahitian vanilla, which is like coconut and vanilla, is my like favorite scent. I also love like creamsicle, but I just like scents that smell like fruity but like sweet. Okay, yeah, this is definitely the broken one. Can I get it out of here without it going everywhere? I can hear it. Oh, this is so broken. I just want to know what you were. Okay. Come out of there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's broken. Like, What were you? Oh, it was Leaves was the scent. That was a Dylan pick. Okay, let's see. I still want to smell it, so let's see if I can pick it up. Because like the glass is pretty much all off of the candle, except for the little sharp bits, so. Smells like fall. Okay, I don't know what to do with this thing. Let's just stick it back in one of these, and I might go like, I don't know, I don't think it's worth it. I was gonna try to like wash it off, clean it off, do something, just so I can have it, but I don't think it's worth it for $5. I'm not gonna cry about it, so it's very broken. But that's all my candles, you guys. 10 candles later. Not turquoise water, that's not the one I liked, this one. Midnight Blue Citrus. This is my favorite, for sure. I have a lot of candles too. Like I have bigger ones too, which you guys have seen in past hauls. But this is my favorite candle. If they make this in a perfume, I'm going to need to own it. I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, that is everything. Let me know down below what your favorite candle is. Let me know your favorite fall candle and your favorite like permanent candle. Do they have permanent candles? I don't know. I'm very new to Bath and Body Works, but that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.